after I put the oil, you can put avocado oil, the olive oil, and sometimes a little bit of sunflower oil, a little bit of this. Then cook in the oven between 25 or 30 minutes. And then a little bit of this vegetable stock and a bit of salt, Himalayan or anything. That's it. It will just cook and nice and soft. So then after, when it's cooked, let it cool down. And once it's cool down, put this in the jar. Then you can use it like everything in your bread, anything in your meat, or anything in your vegetables that you want. And it's good. And if you want to balance it, just put a little bit of honey on it. So here is the amount of honey that I'm putting in this. And voila, this is ready to cook in the oven now. We're gonna bake this until nice and soft. Sometimes I do 20 or 25 minutes, but 180 or 200 degrees. No need to cover them, you know. I used to cover them, but I realized don't cover it because. So the reason I make this because I harvest a lot of garlic now. This is the last batch, second or third batch that I make for this. So I put them in the jar. Some family in the house really love to eat the garlic oil. With garlic oil and put some of our cooking. Then it's gone. This is the second or third batch now that I make. And this is the last one for the little garlic. Little to medium one. Because I got big variety coming and I let them carry it into the shed. So here it is, guys. You can also put some herb on this if you want. Sprig of anything you want to put in it. So I add a little bit of oregano on this. Just something. That's it. And if you have some fresh sprigs of oregano or anything, you can put them. Add flavor. Now let's go cooking. As you notice, some of this garlic, fresh one, I didn't even strip it naked, the skin, a little bit skin on. Just gonna remove it because it's a bit thicker. So okay, let's gonna put this in the oven for I don't know, like 20-25 minutes, as I said. Between 180 degrees to 280 degrees. I mean, between 180 to 200 degrees. See you soon.